Hello children, how are you? Let's start our English class today, okay? So everybody stand up and let's sing the hello song. Are you ready? Yes? Very good. So 1, 2, and go!
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Okay, so now let's remember the weather. How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Let's look outside. How's the weather? Is it cloudy today? Maybe it's cloudy today. When it's cloudy, let me put this. Oh, it's very cold because it's cloudy, yes. Or maybe today is, let's see, maybe today it's rainy. Is it rainy today? When it's rainy, we use the umbrella, yes. So this one is the umbrella when it's raining. We use the umbrella, yes. Or maybe today is sunny. Is it sunny today? Oof, it's hot. Sunny and hot. Okay, so now let's remember the vocabulary. Okay, so look. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. A computer. Yes, it's a computer. What's this? A computer. Very good. Excellent. And what about this? A pencil case. Yes, it's a pencil case. Very good. And boom, pataplum, a chair. Yes, a chair. What? Did you say chair? Very good. And a table. Yes, a table. Very good. And I love this one. Scissors. Scissors, scissors, cut, 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 cut. Very good. Scissors. A pencil. Yes, a pencil. And a crayon. Yes, a crayon. So now look. I've got this for you guys. And look at this. Look at this. We have, here is the crayon, scissors, a pencil case, a table, a chair, a computer. So now, look at this finger. You work now with this finger and point to the screen. Point to the screen. Listen and point to the screen. Here we go.
Track 17. Listen, point, and say.
Scissors.
Scissors. Scissors.
Scissors.
A table. A table. A chair. A chair. A computer. A computer.
Very good. Excellent. So now, next activity. Look at this now. Here we have a pencil and a crayon. So you have to listen and color. Color the pencil yellow. The pencil is yellow. Color the pencil yellow. The pencil is yellow. Color the pencil yellow. The crayon is red. The crayon is red. Color the crayon red. Very good. So now, children, it's time to say goodbye. So let me find the video and let's sing the goodbye song. Are you ready? Yes? Okay, wait. Here I go. One, two, and three.
Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye, children. See you next week.